Today I'm taking a look at the 2.6 liter air humidifier. We got our instruction manual, and I do like that they took the effort to fully protect this thing, so that's very cool. All right, so I do really like the overall look of this thing. It kind of reminds me of a Minion. So the top comes off. We can take the top off. We do not want to fill right here because this is the nozzle. We want to just kind of fill up that tank. We do have water level indicators here, so you can see it goes all the way up to 2.6 liters. And then we got the float, and they actually have this protected, which is great, so we don't have to worry about that thing knocking around in shipping. The instruction manual does say to put this on a hard level surface, and the main reason is because it's going to pull air from the bottom. So if you were to set this on a carpet, then it would not be able to pull the air in. So I'm going to go add some water to this tank, and then we'll see how it works. Okay, so just line that up. When we set it on, it will automatically start filling the tank below. And then all the adjustments are made with this knob right here. Okay. Well, that's kind of cool. You can actually see it building up on the inside. Got a very nice, pleasing effect to it. That's cool. And there is a very small amount of mist coming out. So I'm going to turn this up. There we go. Now we are at max, and there is quite a bit more mist coming out. And I do have to say, I do really like the effect on the inside. Like, that's something you just kind of stare at. It's very cool. So we do have plenty of mist coming out. That'll do a great job of humidifying the room. That's actually maybe a little too much, so I'll turn this down a little bit. There we go. Yeah, that is pleasant. Okay, so yeah, I like it. So overall, that is a very nice humidifier.